Hello, my favorite people. How you all doing? Hope you are good today. So, it's your baby girl Lillian. So, welcome to my channel, Excel with Lillian. Yeah, welcome to my channel. On this channel, you'll be taught on how to use Microsoft Word like a pro. Yeah, Microsoft Word is used to type our documents, to write reports, prepare our CV, design letterhead. So Microsoft Word is very important in especially those that are in administrative departments. You will always use Microsoft Word to type your documents, to type your reports, even to type your memo. Yeah. So Microsoft Word is very important. So, and even you that are applying for works, you won't tell me that those works you're not applying to them with a CV and a cover letter. So Microsoft Word is used to prepare all of that. And also we're gonna be teaching Excel. Yes, you heard me right. Excel. Some people will be saying, "Oh, Excel is too hard. I've tried Excel, guy." Excel is simple. It's just for you to open your mind and learn. Excel is very simple. You just open your mind and you will learn. Even though you've gone to other places, you've taken lessons other places, and you're still not getting it. We'll take it very slow, step by step. You get it. And yes, after each tutorial, there will be an assignment so that you'll be sure that you are actually catching up. Before we move to another topic, there will always be an assignment to evaluate yourself, what you've learned so far, to know if you are catching up. And we also do the corrections if needed. If you are done with the assignment and you really want me to address or put you through in some places, I'll be so glad to do that. Yeah. So we will also be touching Power BI for people that are going into data analysis. Is it analysis or analytics? Oh, from my own understanding, I would say data analysis is just simply um, simple way of analyzing and visualizing our data, while analytics is going into the core data, going into the core analysis like data engineering, data science, like going further. Yes, why data analysis is the basics. Then analytics is going in depth to maybe data engineering and data science. So here I will be teaching you Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. Excel is very important. I'm telling you. Even though you won't tell me that you won't need Excel, because even in your own business, even though you're not working with a company, you are not working in any organizations, you won't tell me that you will not open your own business. Of course, when you open your own business, you're gonna be needing Excel to calculate all your sales, to summarize and to know the trends of your sales. Yeah, so you're gonna be needing Excel. Excel is very important. You can't do with Excel, literally, yes. You can't do with Excel. So Excel is very important whether you are working with an organization or you are running your own business. Excel is very important. You need it for your day-to-day business transactions, to record your sales. Yes, to record your sales and use it to analyze your trend, know when you are having losses, know when you are gaining, knowing the trends, to predict. Excel is used for many things. So here I'm gonna be teaching you all of that: the pivot charts, the slicers, filters, the and or, that's the logical statements, the boolean, the int, the concat, proper, low, right, len, all of that. You're gonna be doing all of that in Excel. So we'll be taking you step by step till you are perfect. All you need to do is support this channel, subscribe, always share. Share it to your village people, share it to your friends, your loved ones, share it to your neighbors, everybody, so that they will also learn this thing that you want to learn. They will also gain from this thing you are gaining at. So people used to pay for the. If I tell you how much I paid for this, you won't believe it. But now I'm here. I want to teach you for free. Yeah, I want to teach you for free. Even the assignments, we will analyze the assignments, we will also do the correction. Nothing, I'm not charging you. All you have to do is please subscribe, click the like button, share and comment. Always comment, yes, so that I will know your. I'm not a spirit, I cannot know your mind, but when you comment, I'll be able to know what you're thinking and where adjustments will be needed. So please always communicate by commenting, so that I will know how to, teach you better. So we're gonna be doing Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Power BI, and Python for coding. Yeah. So we'll be doing all of that. Stay with me. Yeah. Stay with me. And you will learn a lot. I promise you, you will learn a lot. So we'll be starting from Microsoft Word. After the Microsoft Word, we'll enter Microsoft Excel. After that, we'll enter after Microsoft Excel, I think we will enter Power BI, yeah, for data visualization. After that, we'll enter Python, Anaconda. Yeah, we're going to be using Anaconda in Python. Then we use Jupyter to write our. We'll use Jupyter as our notebook. Yeah. So stay with me, and if I get enough shares, I'm promising you, just know today's date. If I got enough shares, enough subscription, I will show you how you can monetize all of this. I will show you the platform that you can get jobs. Yes. So stay in this channel. Just be serious and learn. Submit your assignments. Be committed, be intentional, and you're gonna get a positive result. Love you guys. See you on Microsoft Excel. So after Microsoft Excel, we'll proceed to, what did I say? We're gonna be starting with Microsoft Word. After Microsoft Word, before we go to Microsoft Excel. So here, see you on Microsoft Word. Yeah, love you.